Grapcoin is pleased to have you visit their YouTube channel. Watch this video for more Kaspa updates. Yes, there is still support shown on the Kaspa chart. The 23.6 retracement level is being held. If you remember from the previous movies, we're taking a journey here within the bigger A BC structure, and this C wave is revealing itself. Someone wanted to know if I could make a forecast for Kaspa's future. This is the chart for the long term, plain and simple. I can only make out one more upward wave. Of course, it can grow, but beyond that, I don't see much. Still more item I could cling to. I mean, right from the start, we had a three-wave approach similar to an ABC, and I have an ABC formation is then formed by the wave B pullback. So it appears to be a C wave. Surge, as the fact that there are only three waves suggests that wave C will terminate diagonally. I am giving it as it is not a five-wave motion. It seems like a five-wave move in the end, though you could call it a WXY. So it's just an ABC with A and C in 5 positions. At the moment, all we have are up 3 waves, a short-lived wave 2 pullback followed. The third wave of the rally follows an ABC pattern. This third, was a bit short for a third after we looked at the important lies. Perhaps this is all just an ABC structure, but then we'd still have no idea what it is. May I ask what kind of count this is? Until I receive further pricing information, I'm leaning toward the idea. This signified the end of a third wave. There's a chance the third person ended up here, but it wouldn't alter much. So for the time being, we will not change anything. Both of them include an ABC for me. Up next, we should see the 5th wave. Because it's just moving in corrective structures, I have my doubts about this wave count. As a result, you may argue. Although I am not currently leaning in that direction, the ABC structure is in place from a potentially negative standpoint. Where do we go from here? The 4th wave has instantaneous chart support. Naturally, I consider that to be a 4th wave. Furthermore, by utilizing the third's length, we may calculate the fib levels, which means it gives us A. At that point, the minimum required level would be applicable. For 2.1 cents, you can get this one. The critical support level, therefore, is 2.1 below 5.9. Therefore, it's just something to keep in mind. All things considered, I am not sure of the exact tally. Resolving structures is as easy as traveling in that direction. Therefore, it does not offer very accurate forecasts when seen through the lens of Elliott wave theory. Dear Elliott. This is where waves forecasting skills are severely limited. We can still find pivot points, support, and resistance by using counts and fib levels. This area of support, nevertheless, will take precedence for the time being. It seems like. Feeling valued, isn't it? In other words, the price has already given a first response at the 10.7 cent mark. Support levels of 8.1 cents and 8.5 cents follow. It's recommended to maintain it below 5.9. We might be dealing with something different though, and I can't say for sure that this is wave 4. Exactly what that could be is probably challenging to decide. Saying yes is the only alternative choice, and it's not a great one. I'll leave it this way for the time being. Located below, this is the other support area, but it's not certain if this is a wave 2 pullback or a B wave. Therefore, it is crucial to keep an eye on specific levels. A rebound over the prior upswing is possible if a response materializes at this point. If you see a high, especially a B wave high, it means a low is about to happen. With a price tag of 15.8 cents, it seems like the falling trend needs one more low point. Looks like a triangle to me. In most cases, these aren't the last waves of a migration. Usually they'll say that you need to do one more move to fix it. However, the transition is challenging. Could this be an ABC? I'm confused. It may be nothing more than a WXY. We follow that with either an ABC or a WXY. Consequently, the level of complexity in this repair is rising to an untrustworthy level. Consequently, close attention solely to the levels. Pay attention to the levels. The support area is still very spacious. Ahead of the bearish thesis's collapse. The following upside targets are 21 cents and 25 cents should we reach another high. My report on Kaspa is now complete. I trust that the notice was satisfactory to you. Kindly hit the like button and drop a comment if that's the case. Leave a comment and sign up for news updates. Infinite gratitude for tuning in to the Grapcoin channel on YouTube. Cut ties.